Hi, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. Today we are here to open the November Beauty Heroes box. I'm opening it on November 1st, which is exciting that it came the day that it debuts. Makes me happy. I don't have to stay away from YouTube and Instagram and everything. So it's a surprise, so I have no idea what brand it is or what it is. When I was looking at Instagram last night, there was something that said from Beauty Heroes, like, we know you needed a hint, and it was just like a smear of like a texture shot of some like yellow something, and I'm just like, nope, just like go right by it. I don't want any hints. I don't want to read all the comments of people guessing, so here I am. My kids are outside with the babysitter at the moment, so I'm just gonna go for this and see how long we can do this before we have screaming downstairs. I'm trying to think, brands I would like to see, maybe like Nature of Things, they're new there. Nini Organics would be cool. Sahajan, those are just a few. All right, so let's see. I'm excited. Oh, Khus Khus. Okay. I have not used any of their products ever. So we have the November Discover It Yourself featuring Khus Khus. Discover Khus Khus Modern Herbal Fusion. I have heard of their blue body wax with CBD, with or without. I don't know if they still do it with and without. There's like a lemon, now that I'm thinking of it, there's a lemon, I think, body cream that sounded really interesting. And that was the same, it was like a yellow color. That was like that texture shot I was talking about. So I think they do a lot of body stuff. I don't know if they do any skincare. Maybe they do. Let's just see. All right, we have two items. We have the lemon body potion, yay, and the D-drop humectant factor. Never heard of that. Very cool. That's what they look like. Fun. Right, let's check out the lemon body potion. That's fun. I actually like the idea of a body product. Sounds amazing because that's something I would say we haven't gotten a ton of, obviously, in Beauty Heroes. I don't think I've gotten any body products for the approximately like 4 or 5 months I've been a part of it. So that's fun. All right, just like opening it up, and it looks really big. It says, please be mindful of where you keep your products. All of our products are 100% botanical that do best when kept in a cool, dark space. Leaving products in the sun and heat can damage and change quality, etc. So don't put it in the sun. All right, fun. Like a substantial jar here. Ooh, very lemony. All right, so there we go. Cool. That's awesome. I love the texture, the way the texture looks. Sorry. The lid slid off my leg. So let's get in there. Oh yeah. I like lemon scented things. And I love this texture. I don't know if it's like a mousse sort of, or I wouldn't say necessarily a balm, although it was a lemon body potion. Ooh, very nice. Gotta like lemon. I gotta put my sleeves up for this because I think a little goes a long way. Fun. I'm actually really excited about this product. It's fun to get a body product thrown in here and there. And lemon is a nice scent, I think. I'm very happy it's like lemon versus lavender or something because I'm not a huge lavender fan. So in the grand scheme of things, this is a nice scent. I'll be interested to see what my husband thinks of this. Very lemony. So that is awesome. This is a huge jar. It has champa, CO2, sea buckthorn, lemon, Bulgarian rose, sandalwood, and amla. Right. Let me actually tell you the facts about it since I did all the discovering. All right, so it is 200 milliliters, $88. Whoa, that is an expensive body whip or whatever we want to call this. Okay, from the earliest of times, people have taken pleasure in rubbing fragrant substances onto their skin. Scent was a powerful force in ritual medicine mythology. In modern times, it's like Khus, and then a plus sign, Khus. I don't know if it's just called Khus Khus. I'm going to call it that. Combines the powers of scent with sophisticated plant-based compounds and Ayurvedic herbs to build modern herbal fusions, creating products that work from the outside in to deliver holistic, restorative health and well-being. This month's hero product is an intoxicating, fluffy souffle that nourishes skin, body, and all the senses. Intensely hydrating lemon body potion features a wildly aromatic combination of bright, effervescent lemon to uplift the spirit and sandalwood and Bulgarian rose oils to add intense calming effects on the skin and mind. The oil-based product goes through 2 mixers to achieve the whipped consistency, with the essential oils being added in a second smaller mixer to ensure potency. Champa flower, CO2 is used for its cooling and moisturizing properties. Moringa oil for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties. Once created, the mixture is poured into jars, with all the processes being done completely by hand. That's cool. Lemon body potion delivers a whipped experience that sinks into your skin, soothes stress, and provides a feeling of deep hydration to even the driest textures. The heady potion is also a natural alternative to perfume. The superpower ingredients are amla, Bulgarian rose, champa flower CO2, elderberry extract, lemon, moringa butter, New Caledonia sandalwood, and sea buckthorn. Caledonia. That word is very familiar to me, but I don't know why. I feel like it was from a show or something. Maybe I'll think of it. Anyways, so that's our hero product. Let's check out this other one. I have no idea what it is. D-Drop Humectant Factor. I'm going to read about it before we open it. 30 milliliters, $38. Khus Khus believes that plant-based ingredients we introduce to our bodies through the skin and the senses eventually balances and corrects our physiological makeup. D-Drop Humectant Factor, this month's mega humectant sidekick, definitely does it right with watermelon ferment, French peppermint, and hemp liposomes. Just like the ripe, juicy fruit of summer, watermelon ferment is loaded with water and is a humectant that delivers nutrients, including plant-based vitamin A to the skin and locks in hydration. French peppermint adds a deeply refreshing, cooling, and soothing experience. And the hemp liposomes are a water-based component delivering all the soothing, calming, and antioxidant benefits of CBD. Interesting. I never know if it has CBD in it or not. Hemp liposomes? I'm not sure. Okay. This refreshing experience can be layered with any serum or potion and is great in the winter and dry months for adding extra hydration to dry skin. So it can be layered with any serum. So it would be in your, so after your serum step as a moisturizer, I guess, or is it a moisturizer? I don't really know. Sometimes I get confused. So the superpower ingredients are French peppermint, hemp liposomes, silver ions, and watermelon ferment. Okay, cool. And then we have the information about the company. Founded in Denver, Colorado. 100% plant-based skincare collection. I was just curious. I'm not seeing anything about CBD here. I don't think all the things have CBD. So anyways, let's see. So use 1 to 2 pumps, apply evenly to the face, neck, and chest. Best used before serum and moisturizer. Okay, so I usually use, when I'm doing all the steps, I do my cleanser, my toner, my mist, my serum, my moisturizer, and then like SPF and stuff. So I guess this would go on after a mist, before a serum. Or maybe instead of the mist. I'm going to try it. I'm trying to figure out, I'm going to try it on the inside of my hand. Although I have the lemon stuff like everywhere on both my hands and up my arms. So we'll just see what we can do here. I don't know how liquidy this is going to come out. Okay, pretty liquidy. It's just kind of, so it's a little hard for me to tell you anything about the scent because this lemon, I should have probably done one hand and, you know. Yeah, we'll have to tell you at the end of the month what I think about the scent because it's mixed right here. Like it smells good. I don't know. I can't tell you now if it really does smell like watermelon or what. It definitely feels, to me, so it feels like an aloe-based like serum or something, but it didn't mention anything about Hello. So I'm wondering if this is just the feeling of like the watermelon ferment. To me, it sort of has like a slippery feeling, like some of the other serums that I have that I've received. Like I got the Nap in the Meadow from Earthwise Beauty from Petit Vorbox. That serum feels similar. And then also the serum from Beauty Heroes Ingredients face serum, the brand Ingredients and their face serum. They both just kind of have like a kind of slippery feeling. So interesting. I'm excited to try that. I'm a little confused on like if it takes the place of a mist in a way, since they recommend using it before a serum. So maybe it helps the serum, I think, right? A humectant, it's gonna help the serum for like extra hydration. We'll have to see. See, the nice thing about Beauty Heroes is any questions you have, there's like Instagram posts, you're getting emails about it. They keep you, it's another thing that I really like about them versus Petit Vor. Petit Vor sends the box and then I don't really hear anything from them. You don't get an email or anything about any of the products after other than the box. Whereas Beauty Heroes makes the whole month about it. You know, they have posts, they have not videos, but like articles, emails throughout the month about the different products and how you can use them and everything, which is fun. It makes it like a more of an interactive experience to me. So that is everything. We have the D-Drop Humectant Factor, which will be interesting to play with. Here, I live in Massachusetts. It's definitely getting drier, colder, so this will be nice to use on my skin and just, like I said, figure out where it fits. And then I think I'm gonna be moisturizing with this nice souffle like stuff. I'll be curious. You know, actually my skin is not greasy from it, so I was gonna say I'll be curious to see if I have a greasy feeling after, because I don't like that. But yeah, it'll be nice to try. I've been finishing a lot of body products lately, and I'm starting to kind of like chip through my like older ones that I don't like love and I just want to use up so I can replace with better things over time. Just sort of like I do with some of my other products, like skincare products. So it's fun to get this and like be able to play with this throughout the month too. It's like a treat. So that's everything. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful. Click subscribe if you'd like to be alerted for when the next videos come out. And I always do a follow-up video towards the end of the month about my opinion of this box and the products. I use them throughout the 3 or 4 weeks before I make the video. And yeah, leave me some comments. Have you ever used anything from this brand, or have you used these products? What do you think about them? Tell me whatever you want. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.